from Los Angeles that take up the Winarqua and still go house to house as it was done in its original form in Los Angeles. I'm not going to say too much because interspersed between the dances, we call Mingo, Carlos Alvarez is going to give you a little bit more of the history and the meaning of the Winarqua to the Griffna people. So without me spending any more time here, please welcome the Winarqua dancers of Los Angeles. And they're not ready yet, so people do not know who the Griffna are. The Griffna emerged as a cultural group from the island of St. Vincent in the Caribbean as Africans brought over for the slave trade, not yet entered into the slave trade, but brought over here, intermarried with the Arawak Karo population on the island. So they have roots in Africa and in the indigenous community that has its roots in the Orinoco Delta of Venezuela. They mesh the traditions very well together. Their language is an Arawak-based language, and many of their customs and foodways are indigenous, but as you can hear with the drumming, a lot of their culture is also African. They fought, the British took over St. Vincent and tried to put them on reservations. The Greenaga is the plural and collective, would have nothing of that, and fought a long Carib War. Eventually, the British exiled more than 5,000 Greenaga to an island off St. Vincent called Buck Valley. So over half of those 5,000 died on that island. And the remaining ones were exiled to an island off Honduras called Roatan. From there, they migrated to Nicaragua, Honduras.
Traditional Garifuna dance that originated in the 1600s in the island of St. Vincent in the Lesser Antilles. Is a war dance. It's performed by men only. And usually it turns with the lapse of the time into a very popular dance that we perform in the special occasions like Christmas, New Year. And it is a ceremony when the Garinagu is a plural for Garifuna, used to gather together and go raid the British. We used to fight against the British and the French. So finally, the British and the French, during the time of colonization, they joined forces to defeat the Garinagu in 1797, actually 1795, and we, the Garinagu people, were exiled from San Vincent Island and the Grenadines to Honduras, Central America. In 1797, we got to Honduras April 12, 1797, and from there we went to Nicaragua, Guatemala, and Belize, and of course here, Washington, D.C. So let not take more of your time, and let's get ready for the Wanarwa dance. And I have with me also a master Garifuna drummer, Datnon. Please jump in. Tibo, Wanarwa. Tibo. Baba, in seat position. Come and see the way we dance on the money day, what it is. Come and see the way we dance on the money day, what it is. Ah, way we dance on the money day, what it is. Ah, way we dance on the money day, what it is. Ah, way we dance on the money day, what it is. Ah, way we dance on the money day, what it is. Come and see the pretty bit dance on the money day, what it is. Come and see the pretty bit dance on the money day, what it is. Ah,
awesome. Eso, mijo. Va por dar el colombiano.
Room that's lying in the middle of the yurt. You can see in the pictures here the yurt is that like one of those over there. So and that's the point of the
where nobody can speak the language anymore, and I use the same method to teach them, and now children in St. Vincent are singing in Garifuna, and for them to be able to sing in Garifuna, they have to know how to pronounce the words, right? And if they can pronounce the words, or if they can sing it, then they can speak it, right? So let's take it. I want you to listen carefully and pronounce the words after me. Buiti binafi. Let me hear that. Now what I want you to do, you see, people are not here, you know, but there are some people roaming around. And what I want us to do right now is speak as loud as we can so that we can wake them up. Okay, so don't be afraid to let it out. I know you guys can sound louder than me. I'm just by myself, but I know I'm amplified, but that's okay. Buiti binafi.
Buiti binafi.
Ida binha.
Ida binha.
Binafi le.
Ida binha binafi le.
You guys sound very much like we're in a Garifuna village.
Everybody speaking Garifuna. Let's do it again. Boiti Binafi.
Biti Binafi.
Ida Binya Binafi Le.
Ida Binya Binafi Le.
Then the next word is, listen to it carefully. Magadi Etina. You hear that? Again, Magadi Etina.
Magadi Etin.
Uwa Digyati.
Uwo Digyati.
Ida Binya Gien.
Ida Binya again.
Very good, very good. Give yourself a clap. That's awesome. Now, we're going to take it up a little. We're going to take it up a little. You guys are doing great. You know, you're speaking directly. You're not even mispronouncing it. You're not even giving it an accent. You guys sound genuine Garifuna. Okay? So hear that. Now we're going to take it up a notch. We're going to go